Oh, I'm very overwhelmed. Just need to take deep breaths. I'm struggling. Oh, it's so difficult to pack to move anyways. And then when you're having to do it in quite a small space because I don't really have any floor space in my room. So, 2 piles of clothes pretty much fills up my entire floor space, and there's still Christmas presents and, stuff. I wanted to get rid of a bunch of stuff from my wardrobe, so all of that is on the floor because there's nowhere to put it, and I'm sick, so I feel really hot and cold and ill and bleh. It's fine. I'm more nervous because I have no idea what to picture for where I'm moving. I think if I had like an idea of where I was going and what it was going to be like, I might be a bit calmer. But I don't really have any frame of reference. So you're going to see along with me tomorrow. No, Saturday. So yeah, it's exciting. I am actually thinking very positively about it. It's going to be a little adventure. It's going to be like Mary Poppins. Flying all over the country with her umbrella. But yeah, it's just quite nerve-wracking. And I don't like not knowing how much space I'll have, and I don't like not knowing how much stuff to take, and it's always nerve-wracking when I'm quite a particular personality, and obviously dressed quite differently, and it's always going to a new environment and being like, okay, how are they going to accept me as I am, or am I going to feel like I have to change? Or yeah, it's always quite nerve-wracking, but just got to take deep breaths and everything will be okay. Yeah, so I'm going to show you a few more clips of me trying to pack. This doesn't really go at all, but I'm cold, so cozy cardigans going on. They had these tiny boxes, which I thought were going to be useless, but I have just managed to fit all of my cardigans and my jewellery box in there. And I think if I tried really hard, I could fit all my bras in as well, so maybe they won't be as useless as I originally thought they might be. We're also taking this tissue paper, just got my nails done, into which we will be placing all of my beautiful, precious brooches that I'm going to take with me. So let's do it. we got a bit overwhelmed. Okay, so I am pretty much packed. Terrifying. Set my hair, all ready. See you on the other side. So it is moving day part 1. I'm feeling a little bit brighter today. Yay. And yeah, now I'm just gonna start shifting all of my stuff downstairs to get packed into the car. We're gonna drive to my auntie's and then we're gonna drive up to my new job tomorrow. So really nervous, quite excited, not really sure how I feel about everything, but it's gonna be good, it's gonna be positive, and let's just get shifting. Whew. The idea is if I film, I won't get overwhelmed and cry. If I look tired, I am. Okay, so I've arrived at my new home for the next while. It's really nice. It's a flat that I'm sharing with some other girls who are working at the same place as me, and we're really close to where we're all working, so I'm really lucky. Yeah, it's a bit of a mess at the moment, so I'll show you that, and then I will show you once I have made it beautiful, she says, hopefully. Stuff everywhere, stuff everywhere, stuff. So yeah, I'm all kind of moved in now. I'm sure the room will evolve as I'm here a bit longer, but for now it's set up quite nicely. I'm quite happy with it. It's been such an overwhelming day. I have had my big kind of freak out cry. I put some makeup on, made me feel a bit better. And yeah, I'm gonna go have dinner now, try and relax. I have a day before I start working, so I might go explore some more of the town tomorrow. I'll see how that goes. This is the first time that I've had a car to myself, and I'm slightly terrified to drive it anywhere because I don't know where I am and I don't know where anything is, and I always get nervous driving new places, and everywhere around here is new, so that's scary, but I'm sure I'll get used to it. And yeah, I think this has been quite a chaotic vlog. You've seen a wide variety of emotions from me, and right now you are getting tired. Emotionally, physically tired. So I think I will leave you here, but let me know if this vlog was in any way enjoyable to watch, and I will bring you lots more lovely content soon. I have quite a bit of good filming space in here, so that's good. I might be able to get some lookbooks done, and yeah, I will let you know how everything goes. I'm so tired. Sorry, I just blanked out for like a full second. So don't forget that you can follow all of my social media. You can follow me on Instagram at @AveryVintageDarling, and you can follow me on Twitter at @VVintageDarling to stay up to date with everything that's happening with me. And it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe and join our little Vintage Darlings family. And that is all from me for now. I'm gonna go drink a buttload of caffeine. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Au revoir.